I'm Emily Leach, and I am the founder of the Freelance Conference and also the founder of the Texas Freelance Association. My goal in life these days is to help freelancers make more money and actually strive to create that dream, that lifestyle that they stopped working a job for. Matthew was wonderful on stage. He was one of those few people that can get on stage and just sit in a chair and be very calm and have complete command of the audience. It was wonderful. He took not only command of that stage, but he really engaged me. It was me and him, even though there was 150 other people around me, and I felt like I could achieve what he was leading me through, and I walked away knowing that I now had a relationship with this person on stage. As a TEDx organizer over the years, I have put on 5 different events, spoke at 2 different events myself. So let's say I have seen quite a few speakers, and Matthew was definitely at the top. He did a fantastic job of staying on point, being articulate, and being able to portray a message. You can sit down with him have a cup of coffee, and it feels like you knew him your whole life.